Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry refresher course and the second unit in refresher course is atomic structure we are going to discuss. And in this video, the model of an atom, introduction, and how to write the electronic configuration, a number of subheadings we are going to discuss here. Introduction. The concept of an atom is originated from the Greek philosophers like Democritus, Lysippus and John Dalton. Democritus studied the nature of matter and the constituent of all the substances. In 1808, John Dalton, father of atom, he is also called, put forward atomic theory. According to him, an atom is the smallest unit of matter which takes part in a chemical reaction. An atom is a very smallest particle of a matter which take part in a chemical reaction. He considered that atoms are indivisible. We cannot divide an atom, indivisible particle. And he considered that atoms are indivisible particle. At the end of 18th and early 20th centuries, modern concept of an atom was developed by the scientists like J.J. Thomson, Goldstein, Rutherford, Bohr and others. Now we are going to discuss about the Bohr's model of an atom. In 1913, Niels Bohr, a Danish physicist, explained the causes of the stability of the atom. The main postulates of Bohr atomic model are, in atom, the electron revolves around the nucleus in stationary circular path called orbit or cells or energy levels. While revolving around the nucleus in an orbit, an electron neither loses nor gains electron. Whenever the electron revolves around the nucleus, it does not lose or gain energy. An electron in a cell can move to a higher or lower energy cell by absorbing or releasing a fixed amount of energy. When it moves from lower energy to higher energy, it absorbs energy. When it moves from higher energy to lower energy, it emits energy. The orbits or cells are represented by letters K, L, M, N or the numbers n equal to principal quantum number 1, 2, 3, 4. These orbits are associated with a fixed amount of energy, so they are also called energy level or energy cell. The principal quantum numbers also called energy level or energy cells. Limitations of Bohr's model. This model was applicable only to hydrogen and hydrogen-like ions. Example, He plus containing 1 electron, lithium 2 plus, beryllium 3 plus, all these containing 1 electron and so on. Therefore, it is applicable only for 1 electron species. It could not be extended to multi-electron species. Fundamental particle. Atom consists of smaller particle called subatomic particle like electron, proton and neutron. These particles are called as fundamental particles. In 1897, J.J. Thomson, an English physicist, discovered electron. Electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. In 1886, E. Goldstein, a German physicist, discovered proton. And in 1932, Sir James Chadwick, an English physicist, discovered neutron. So, neutron discovered by Chadwick, proton discovered by Goldstein and electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. What are the properties of this subatomic particle? Electron symbol E -1 0, charge -1, mass 1 part out of 100837, mass 9.1 into 10 power minus 28. Proton H11, charge +1, mass equal to 1 and in atomic mass unit, okay. In gram, 1.6 into 10 power minus 24. Neutron, N01, charge equal to 0, mass in atomic mass unit 1 and mass in gram 1.6 into 10 power minus 24. These two are same. Structural parts of an atom. An atom consists of nucleus and orbit. The nucleus, the atom contains nucleus at its center, which has positively charged protons and neutrons, collectively called nucleons. So, nucleon, this word denotes a mixture of proton and electron. Orbit. Orbit is defined as the path by which electrons carry negative charge revolve around the nucleus. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a path called orbit. This is the structure of an atom. It consists of the nucleus, which is present at the center, positively charged, and the orbit K, L, M, N are around the nucleus. Atomic number and mass number. The atomic number of an element is determined by the number of protons in it, and it is used to differentiate one element from another. Atomic number. Atomic number equal to number of protons or number of electrons present in an atom. The mass number of an element is determined by the number of proton and neutron combined. That is, sum of the number of proton and number of neutron gives mass number. For any element, the atomic numbers are shown as subscript and the mass numbers are shown as superscript. So, take X is an element. Here Z and A. Z is the atomic number, A is the mass number. This is a symbol of an element. For example, nitrogen is written as, this is the symbol for nitrogen, 7, subscript, atomic number 14, superscript, mass number. Here 7 is the atomic number and 14 is the mass number. The difference between the mass number of an element and its atomic number gives number of neutron present in one atom of element. 14 minus 7 equal to, there are 7 neutron. So, number of neutron can be calculated, mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number. For example, the number of neutron in one atom of magnesium 12, 24. 12 is the atomic number, 24 is the mass number. When we subtract, number of neutron equal to 24 minus 12 equal to 12 neutrons are present. So, remember, from atomic number, we can write number of proton and number of electron. Mass number by atomic number gives number of neutron. Now, we are going to discuss about isotope. The different atom of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Atomic number same, mass number different are called isotope. For example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Same atomic number 1, different mass number 1, 2, 3. Protium, deuterium, tritium. The isotopes which are unstable as a result of the extra neutrons in their nuclei are radioactive and are called radioactive isotope. So, what are radioactive isotopes? The isotopes which are unstable as a result of the extra neutron in their nuclei are radioactive and are called radioactive isotope. Here, when you subtract mass number, atomic number, mass number differences, there is no neutron in protium, there is only one neutron in deuterium. Here, one proton and 2 neutron. If number of neutron increases, this isotope becomes highly unstable. The only radioactive isotope of hydrogen is tritium. Uranium-235, source of nuclear reactor. Cobalt-60, used in radiotherapy treatment, cancer treatment, or radioisotope. Hydrogen, protium, deuterium, tritium, there are 3 types of isotopes. It containing 1 proton and 1 electron. Here 1 proton, 1 electron and 1 neutron. There are 2 neutron in tritium. 1 proton and 1 electron. Number of proton, number of electrons are same. They differ only in the number of neutrons. 0 neutron, 1 neutron, 2 neutrons. What are isobars? Atoms of different element with different atomic numbers and same mass number. Opposite to isotope. Different atomic number and same mass number. Argon, Atomic number 18, potassium 19, calcium 20, but they are having same mass number 40, 40, 40. Argon, from atomic number we can write number of electron and number of protons are same. Number of neutrons 40 minus 18 equal to 22. Potassium, atomic number 19 means they are having same number of electron and proton. 40 minus 19 gives 21 neutrons are present. Calcium, atomic number 20 means they are 20 proton and 20 electron. Mass number minus atomic number gives number of neutron. So all these isotopes, all these containing same number of proton, same number of electron, but they differ only in the number of neutron. Number of neutron goes on decreases from argon to calcium. These are called isobars. Then what are isotones? Atoms of different element with different atomic numbers and different mass numbers, but with the same number of neutron. Atomic number different, mass number different, but they are having same number of neutrons are called isotones. Example, boron 511, carbon 612. Number of neutron in boron 11 minus 5 equal to 6. Number of neutron in carbon 12 minus 6 equal to 6. The elements having different atomic number, different mass number, but they are having same number of neutrons are called isotones. What are orbital? Orbital is a three-dimensional 3D region around the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron density is maximum is called orbital. Electronic configuration. Distribution of electrons in various orbitals is called as electronic configuration. Distribution of electrons in various orbitals is called as electronic configuration. Bohr and Bury rules of electronic configuration. First one is rule number 1. The maximum number of electron that can be accommodated in a cell is equal to 2n squared, where n equal to principal quantum number. If we put n equal to 1, 2 into 1 square equal to 2 electrons are present in the first orbit. N equal to 2 means 2 square equal to 4 into 2 are 8 electrons are present in the second orbit and goes on. Where n is the serial number of cell from the nucleus, first, second, third and goes on. Rule number 2. Cells are filled in a stepwise manner in the increasing order of energy. This is called alpha principle. Electrons enter into different orbital according to their increasing energy. Rule number 3. The outermost cell of an atom cannot have more than 8 electrons even if it has capacity to accommodate more electron. All the outermost cell can accommodate only 8 electron. For example, electronic configuration in calcium having atomic number 20 is first K cell 2 electron, L cell 8 electron, M cell 8 electron, N cell 2 electron. So totally 10 plus 10 equal to 2. Now electronic configuration of first 20 elements we are going to write here according to alpha principle. So this is the order of increasing energy order of all these electrons. First hydrogen, atomic number 1. Name of the element is hydrogen, electronic configuration 1s1. Helium, atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2. The maximum number of electron in s orbital 2, p orbital 6, d orbital 10 and f orbital 14. Lithium, atomic number 3, electronic configuration 1s2 and 2s1. Beryllium, atomic number 4, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Boron, atomic number 5, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Carbon, atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. And oxygen, atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Fluorine, atomic number 9, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Neon, atomic number 10, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. For sodium, the electron entered into the 3s orbital, atomic number 11, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. That for magnesium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, s orbital maximum 2 electron, p orbital 6. Aluminium atomic number 13, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. That for silicon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, atomic number 14, 3p2, 10 plus 4 equal to 14. Phosphorus atomic number 15, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, and that for sulfur 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Chlorine atomic number 17, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. And argon, a noble gas 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, outermost cell containing 8 electron. Inert gases, potassium atomic number 19, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s1. Calcium atomic number 20, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2. Here 20, 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Calcium atomic number 20. Now, geometrical representation of atomic structure of element. Knowing the mass number and atomic number of an element, we can represent atomic structure. For example, geometric representation of oxygen atom is 816. Mass number A equal to 16, atomic number Z equal to 8, number of neutron A minus Z equal to 16 minus 8 equal to 8. From atomic number, we can write number of proton 8. In an atom, number of protons are always equal to number of electron. And electronic configuration, first orbit occupy only 2 electron, remaining 6 electron occupy in the second orbit. So, there are 8 proton, 8 electron and 8 neutrons are present in oxygen electronic configuration. First cell containing 2 electron, second cell containing 6 electron. What is meant by valency electrons? The outermost cell of an atom is called valency cell, and the electrons present in the valency cell are known as valency electron. The chemical properties of elements are decided by these valency electron. Valency. Valency of an element is the combining capacity of the element with other elements and is equal to the number of electrons that take part in a chemical reaction. Valency of the elements having valency electron 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. Alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, boron group element and carbon group element. Valency are 1, 2, 3, 4. Valency of element with 5, 6 and 7 valency electron is 3, 2, 1. That means 8 valence electron respectively. 8 minus 5 equal to 3, 8 minus 6 equal to 2, 8 minus 7 equal to 1. 15th group, 16th group, 17th group. Nitrogen group element, oxygen group element and halogens. Because 8 is the number of electrons required by an element to attain stable electronic configuration. Elements having completely filled outermost cell show 0 valency. Noble gases, they are having 0 valency. For example, the electronic configuration of neon is 2, 8, completely filled, so the valence is 0. What are quantum numbers? Just like we have 4 ways of defining the location of a building, country, state, city and street address. We have 4 ways of defining of the properties of the electron, that is by 4 quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? The numbers which designate and distinguish various atomic orbital and the electrons present in an atom are called quantum numbers. This is the definition of quantum number. The 4 quantum numbers are principal quantum number, symbol small n, azimuthal quantum number L, magnetic quantum number M or ML, spin quantum number S or MS. Principal quantum number gives information about main energy level or size of the orbital. Azimuthal quantum number L value gives subenergy level, shape of orbital, subenergy level S, P, D, F. And a magnetic quantum number gives orientation of orbital, and a spin quantum number gives spin of the electron, plus half, minus half. Orientation of orbital given by the magnetic quantum number, S orbital only one orientation, P orbital Px, Py, Pz, D orbital 5 orientation, F orbital 7 orientation. So this is about atomic structure. In the refresher courses, we discussed about the introduction, Bohr model of an atom, and atomic number, mass number, how to find out the number of neutron, isotope, isobar, isotone, orbital, how to write the electronic configuration of first 20 elements, geometrical representation of atomic structure of element, valency, and finally quantum number. These are very most basic point of atomic structure. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.